leave the windows down?
I need to shower today, so.
You look great. Obviously, we're at the car wash today because our car is filthy from last weekend when we were up in the mining town of Allegheny, California. Sonny Barger's old hideout. We got somebody with a really clean minivan in front of us, and they're gonna clean it. Looks like they just bought it. Waste of fucking time if you ask me. Here's the code.
Thank you for using our automatic car wash. Please enter your 5-digit code, deposit money, or insert your card for a wash.
It's the Muppets.
Whoa.
Mana mana. Oh, boo boo. Mana mana. Mana mana.
What a waste of money and water and shit cleaning that van. Our car is filthy.
You see the back of it?
It looks a little better now because when they got an oil change, they cleaned off the back windshield, but the back of the car is filthy as fuck. So we gotta wait for these dipshits to hurry up.
I don't want them to take my car wash.
What are we listening to? KHSU. Car wash music. 24 hours a day.
So soothing with the lavender fields next to it. It's music.
The lavender looks the same as those things, kind of, in the camera, anyways. Hurry up!
I hope they didn't get the deluxe car wash.
What did they do with the deluxe?
It works. Tricolor conditioning, foam bath, dirt busting water blaster, zip. Underbody pressure wash, super wash,
Oh, it's up there.
rain shield, surface sealant, super rinse, and a touch-free dry.
Yuppie car wash features.
We just got the foam bath, the super wash, the super rinse.
What else do we need? Soft gloss XS. There's too much stupid shit. Even when it comes to car washes.
Underbody pressure wash.
Sounds dirty. Get it? Oh, there we go. You got it?
4
4, 4, 9, 3, 5.
That's my zip code.
If your
Ready?
vehicle has a bug deflector, please press the pound key.
A what?
Bug
Drive into the
deflector.
wash
Oh.
and stop when the stop sign lights up.
I'm a fucking bug deflector. Hurry up, van. This video is taking too long.
Go.
Go, dip
Green
shit.
light means go.
Oh, they're air drying because they're too stupid to fucking let it dry out in the sun.
That was almost too stupid to roll out my window.
No, it's smart. Here we go, I think. You ready?
I am.
We're ready for the car wash. This van was ready to get the fuck out of our fucking way. Go, dipshit.
Can I go?
Yeah, you can go. Here we go. Green light. Whoa. Back up. Back up. Back up. Woo! Okay. So go. Stop. Now what? Oh shit. Oh no.
we're in park.
Oh. Just kind of makes me sick being in here. Oh my god. Trippy dude. We're gonna die. Oh my god. Should we take forever like that other idiot?
Whoa. Snap on.
Oh. How do you feel?
Exhilarated and glad I survived that.
I like the music.
It was perfect.
It really is car wash music.
It was as if they knew. Let me put my mirror back down.
Oh yeah, good idea. All right, let's
Here
do
we
it.
go.
See you next time. Look at all those dirty fucking cars out there.